Black Lives Matter is something that is seen throughout the United States right now, but increasingly in Paris and in Africa and in the Caribbean, even in France and so forth. Black Lives Matter is a social movement that has been part of our American landscape since 2007, when three mothers upset with the killing of their sons by police officers said, hell no, not again. And they began to march and protest and challenge what they perceived as the indiscriminate killing of Black people, Black women, and Black men. And this movement has only accelerated over these years. 13 years, think about it. We have been challenging in this country the deaths of Black people at the hands of police. And it turns out that it's not only happening in this country, but again, it's happening in France, it's happening in Greece, it's happening in England. What is this about? And why now? America has a long history going back to its founding of racism and racial hostility targeting different individuals. And we have to accept the reality of that, starting with indigenous people, Native Americans, that almost genocide, almost exterminated, followed by African Americans that were forced into slavery. That was the beginning of this. And for over 400 years, these things that we call racial structures and racial hostilities, where individuals are targeted simply because of the color of their skin. It's interesting that this would happen in this country. By the way, a country started as a consequence of revolution. Freedom of speech is in protest is part of our national DNA. We call it democracy. And so therefore, this is a democratic process where we are trying to make this country inclusive to all of its people, regardless of accidents of birth, regardless of skin color. And we're going to keep on pushing until we all can experience the American dream in its fullest. And in the process, embrace you as well. Thank you and have a great day.